Hi everyone, today I would like to introduce to you the Gourmet 1.7 liter healthy seamless electric kettle. So what is so special about this electric kettle? Maybe I would like to unbox it and share with you what is so special about this kettle compared to the rest in the market. The moment when I unbox it, I open up the box. I have this instruction manual that it is in English and Chinese. Then I have this warranty card. It gives away 1 year warranty. And this is the kettle. It's a very nice Ferrari red. And this is the base. Right? So you can see that it actually comes with 2 colors. One is the turquoise color and another one is the Ferrari red. So what is so special about it? Maybe let's have a close look. Most of the kettle in the market is either inside is plastic or it has the heating elements with the wiring, and then that is how they actually heat up. But it is so difficult to clean. Whereas for Gourmet seamless kettle, it has all the boiling point. It is actually contact with 304 stainless steel. It's a very high grade stainless steel. You can see the top lid here is made of stainless steel. The inner wall is stainless steel, and also this is the stainless steel strainer is also stainless steel. Most of it in the market are all those plastic netting as a strainer, alright, but this is stainless steel, and it also have come with the stainless steel rim as well. And the exterior here, the plastic, is also a very good quality food grade exterior. So let's have a look. This is the hot boiling water that I have just boiled inside the kettle that you can see steams coming out. Most of the time when it just finished boiling, most of people can't go and touch the exterior because it will be very hot. But for Gourmet seamless kettle, it is made of double wall, so although when I touch it, it is actually warm but bearable. I can still hold it. So if let's say the kids are around, at least they will not be injured by touching it. So I think that is the most important part is the seamless. What do we mean for seamless? If you can see from the wall and the base as the heating elements, it doesn't have any lines, or the base and the wall is not separated. So whatever food or drinks that you are making from this kettle, there will be no dirt kept inside. So it is very hygienic and it is very clean. And that is the best part that I love the most. So